How we all doing? So, it's just on 28 degrees here in the workshop at the minute. It's a scorching hot day. Excellent. Bank holiday weekend here too. So, life is good. So I'm in here. Well, I'm not staying in here for too long. It's just on 3:15 now here. The Cossor. The Cossor radio. We're back to it. You remember I got it working and did the alignment and all that sort of stuff on it, and it's working quite well. And I was telling you that the cabinet was completely rotten. Now I'm no good at cabinetry work or whatever, but I dickied it up well enough, I think. So we'll just have to put the new mains lead on the radio. So that's the radio part of it finished, I hope. So we'll switch on and we'll have a little listen to it. Getting to the cabinet. Now it's painted and all. I did it in the satin. It's not great, alright. I'm not going to say that it's anything that it's not. This thing was riddled with woodworm altogether when I got it. This side was gone altogether. Put my hand through this. I had been out in the rain for probably 6 months, I think. The man who gave it to me was clearing out a shed and he left all the stuff outside and this was with it. Now ordinarily it's the kind of thing that I wouldn't have bothered with, but I like the look of it, so I said I'll try and get it going. There was no valves in the radio either, so they were replaced with just pulls that I had in the spare box, but we got it going. There would have been Cossor valves in this, but we put the Mullard series in it. It doesn't make any difference. I had to try a few EL41s though. Quite a few of them were dodgy, but I found a good one in the box anyway eventually. So as we can see, I'll bring in the camera here to give you a good look. You can see where I filled it, right? But I was sanding it and filling it and sanding and filling it. But it's not bad compared to what it was, you know. That was the side that was really bad, and that actually turned out the best of them. What I did was I glued a piece of timber in here, and then I fibre glassed in the hole, and then put filler in it and sanded it down. So I think it's going to look alright. It's certainly better than the other option, which was just to throw it in the skip. So we'll have a little listen to the radio anyway before I put it back together. What am I on here? I'm on medium wave. That's BBC Radio Ulster. Manx Radio.
This is gold.
That's gold. The Monkeys.
The soundproofing was more so
That's Spirit Radio. And then long wave. BBC Radio 4. And of course an end stop in RT Radio 1. So it's quite sensitive given the fact this is the middle of the day here. And I'm in Ireland and most of these stations are in the UK. Anyway, I'm going to bang it back into the box. It has a plastic front on it, which I think looks quite smart. So I think it's going to look alright. And the plastic front of course hides a lot of the damage too. Right, we'll see it back together. Okay, so we're finally back together. I put the speaker into it and I just gave it a quick try before I put the chassis in, and it was woeful distortion. So the magnet has gone rusty. So I found another speaker that lined up with the holes quite nicely, the same type. So we're all back together now. I'll bring you in and give you a look. So that's it all back together. I have the back for it, but I don't know where I'm after putting it. It's that long since it started this, but it's here somewhere. It's probably under a TV or something. So that's the story. We'll spin it around and we'll give it a little play. As I said, this thing had been outside for 6 months and was totally riddled with woodworm and had no valves when I came here. But I quite like the styling of it, and it's an Irish made radio as well, so I thought it was worth the effort. And I think it's turned out quite nice. So I'll switch on and see how it sounds.
That's the question, not to take myself up to. So, to destroy, just to save yourself. I mentioned football manager for me earlier, comes back to me after that, saying that you used to be 20-hour class sessions. Only to get beaten in the FA Cup semi-final and destroy a computer. That's not good for you or the computer. Dave says, any groups selling shoes and vinyl, considering how much you each I still buy, I'm not sure it's actually helped. There are two computer data talking from. Of the equipment, the players to go and get themselves
and add them up. Because by the time you've added them all up, it isn't just a small additional. Cycle of.
Well, that's it. I think it'll do for me. It's certainly better than the alternative future I had. Alright, well, take care for now. And I'll get back to you very soon with something else. Enjoy the good weather. Good luck for now.